Hi nail fam, hope you guys are doing well. It's your girl Tia Bella. You guys know that I have a I have a slight problem. I am constantly looking for nail gel liners, gel line art gels, whatever you call them. These were on Amazon. I was looking for metallic kind of gel paint, gel polish, and these said that these were metallic gel liners, and I was like, what? I don't have these. But I just wanted to quickly share with you. These were on Amazon UK. I'm pretty sure you could probably find this on Amazon US as well. All right, so this is from this brand called SUPWEE. I don't think I have anything from them. I've never heard of them. They say platinum. Now, I do have a set of platinum gel liners. Let me just grab that 1 second. So these are the platinum gel liners that I have. These are from Boslin, and I think I ordered these from AliExpress, sorry. But the texture is different. But these say platinum, so I'm hoping I don't have a duplication. I would be upset about that. See, this is what platinum looks like when you put it on. This is from a different brand. Coming soon, we can be doing. I got a ton of new gel polish. This is the problem I have here with these with these long nails. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now, the thing is, this little information pamphlet that they have in here doesn't actually correspond with this product. It did come wrapped, shrink wrapped, so I'm not concerned that it was used or anything. It's just they kind of mixed up the packaging, information packaging. Okay, so even if this is a duplication, I have some different colors here compared to that. So let me show you what a platinum... Hello? Let me show you the platinum gel liner is supposed to look like. See how sparkly that is? It looks like it looks like diamond. Literally looks like diamond. It's absolutely stunning. So I wanted metal because I wanted to do some metallic Frenchies, specifically a pink metallic Frenchie, and that's why I kind of got this set here. So the texture is different. It's almost like a muted platinum gel, really. You see, it's like a matte platinum gel. Is absolutely stunning. Look at that beautiful color. I just did these nails today. Today is Monday. I did an Instagram reel. So I'm just gonna test out to see. Wow, that's pretty, eh? The brush isn't bad either. You see it covered up the nail design? Wow. I always used to be afraid that the shorter the brush, the less control you have, but that's not bad at all. Yeah, it is a little bit on the platinum side. I will say that it is very much on the platinum side. I was hoping it would be, you know, when you think of metallic, you think of really, really shiny, but that's not bad. And I don't have this kind of pinky color here. So let me just kind of compare what a platinum would look like if I put the platinum on. Platinum is like really, like super shiny. You see? Yeah, I love platinum. And you wear platinum, like, you can't miss it. Everybody be looking at your nails like, oh my goodness, who did your nails? I'd be like, I did, girl. What you saying? I do my own nails on here. Okay, so yeah, so they're very similar, but yes, it is metallic. It is giving me metallic vibes. Those two colors look stunning together. The platinum is definitely much more shinier. So if you wanted some platinum gels, you can find these on AliExpress. I'm not sure who sells them on Amazon. Maybe RAR JSM, this brand here. Maybe they have them on Amazon. But anyway, let's not get sidetracked. So that's the platinum, that's the metallic. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the platinum ones, a quick swatch so that you can have a comparison of what the colors look like in case you may be interested in these. I'm just going to grab a swatch stick. All right, I have my swatch stick here, and with gel liners, I've started swatching them on the tail of the swatch stick, so I don't have to waste too much. So let's get started with swatching this first color here. Beautiful color. Beautiful. And we're going to go in with a nice thick swatch. Absolutely beautiful. Here's the first color. Oh, I love purple. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is beautiful. Sorry for smacking. I'm actually eating some cookies. Beautiful color. Love it. Start. All right, this one looks like a gold, like a metallic gold. Yes, very, maybe it's a platinum metallic because it does have metallic effect, but it has like glitter inside of it. And usually with these metallic gels, like, you know, the ones who are like Born Pretty or something like that, they just be smooth. They don't have all this little glittery effect on them. So, you know, I'm not mad at that though. It's really nice. I wanted to do some chrome hearts, but what I got a silver there? Look like I melt silver. Going on really nice. For an inexpensive Amazon brand, it's going on really nice actually. I'm actually really impressed with that. Now my colors are starting to run, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure these first 6, and then we will do the other 6. Oh, we get orange. Well, yeah, orange coppery. That's not too bad. I don't think I have orange in my my platinum gels. Yeah, definitely more on the copper side, like a burnt orange maybe. Still nice though. Now this one I'm a little bit surprised because, you know, it looks like brown on the outside. When you actually open this one up, it's actually given red, and I'm very happy about that because I don't actually have a red platinum gel liner, and this is absolutely perfect for Valentine's. So very happy with that. Beautiful. Okay, and here's our last color, and I don't actually know what I would call this. It's almost like a gunmetal gray, but with a blue undertone to it, you know, like a really deep, dark teal blue. I don't know how to explain it. It is from the gods. It is absolutely beautiful. I mean, on camera, it probably shows as gunmetal gray. Okay, let's give that a cure under the UV lamp. All right, nail fam, here's a final look at those beautiful metallic gel liners from the Amazon brand SUPWEE. What's up, we? And I am very satisfied with the colors that came in this, and I'm definitely sure I'm going to use some amazing nail art. Just definitely those like swirly line art, abstract lines. I can't wait. They are gorgeous. All right, guys, it's just a quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little swatch, and if you're interested, it's on Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.